Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mojito at home without any soda. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of your favorite white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. This classic combination ensures a refreshing and authentic taste, focusing on the natural flavors. We're aiming for a perfectly balanced drink that's easy to recreate. Now, let's build those amazing flavors. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 2 teaspoons of sugar into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together, pressing and twisting about 5 to 7 times. The goal is to release the mint's aromatic oils, not to shred the leaves. Next, pour in your 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, followed by the 2 ounces of white rum. Stir everything well to combine the sugar and liquids. With our base ready, it's time to chill and finish our mojito. Fill your glass completely to the top with crushed ice. This helps keep the drink perfectly cold and dilutes it just right. Instead of soda, we'll top it off with about 2 ounces of cold water, giving it a clean, crisp finish. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well integrated. Finally, garnish with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant mint sprig for that perfect touch. Here are a few tips for your perfect homemade mojito. Always use fresh lime juice. It makes a huge difference in flavor. You can adjust the 2 teaspoons of sugar to your liking, adding more or less for your ideal sweetness. For a twist, try muddling in a few fresh berries, like raspberries or blackberries, for a fruity variation. If you prefer, simple syrup can be used instead of granulated sugar for even smoother mixing. Enjoy your refreshing, soda-free mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.